to say to you all.
Yeah, Uttam sir. Yeah, let me start
Yes,
today's session. Today we are going talking about it very important things. Yeah, today I invited very special, very special guest, Uttam sir. He is working in Sikkim and he have a lots of experience. I hope each and every persons have any types doubt. 100% today we will clear. Okay. Yeah, Uttam sir. So please, firstly, you give me self introduction. Where are you from and where are you doing working? And after that I give up each every person's chance. Anybody have a doubts, and after that they can ask any question for him. Yeah, Uttam sir.
thank you, thank you. Yes. So this is me, Uttam Singh Rathod, and I'm basically from Udaipur, Rajasthan. So I born and brought up in Udaipur, and I did my MBA from Udaipur. And in 2006, I moved to Gurgaon. So in Gurgaon, I have worked for 11 years. And in 2017, I moved to Sikkim. So from last 3 years, I am in Sikkim right now. I like this. So this is the my professional journey and my experience that I am having a 15 years of experience, I can say. But the thing was that I got good education, I got job on time, I got some promotions in my job. But the thing is that I got some senior position, but I was not able to enjoy my life. I was having frustration. I was having means some sort of negative emotions in myself. So I was struggling a lot for many years. I can say for 10 to 15 years I was struggling. Why? Why I was struggling? Because of English. Because there are many times that I was having situation that I have to speak in English, but I use Hindi because I was not much comfortable in speaking English. And many of the times that whenever I go outside, whenever means any outside meeting with anyone, so the people start speaking with me in English. So I try to run away from this situation. So whenever this type of situation I was having, I tried how I can run away from this situation. So that's how I have lived my life for 15 years. So you cannot believe that how much struggle I have felt in my life. You all cannot believe, and you cannot assume that how I have struggled due to this only this thing. Because uh, if you talk about that my knowledge, I am having a that good knowledge of any other subject. Because in my school days and in my college days, I used to read newspaper a lot. I read newspaper for many years. I'm not talking about newspaper that front page and then political news and sport news. I never read this type of news. I used to read Sampadiki page, means editorial page. I used to read of that newspaper for many years. So I am having a little bit knowledge of any subject, any topic. But the thing is that I have to express myself in English. So how I will able to express myself, because I don't know English, but I am having a knowledge, I am having information. But I am means for that situation that I am having a knowledge, but I am not able to express myself in English. So it continues going on in my life, and that continuously means doing this type of activities. I got frustrated. But due to that, thanks to that due to that lockdown, I got that Sandeep sir classes, and I took time, and I got that time to think on myself that what where I am lacking, why I am not able to do that solve my problem. So I got the Sandeep sir classes. Yes, that before starting the Sandeep sir classes, I have started to read some books, but it was not in proper manner. Just I started to read because I like to read, because I have read a lot newspaper in my school or college days. So I got the Sandeep sir classes, and in initial days, these classes I thought that it's again that useless classes, because it would not impact on me, because I was not very much positive about these classes. Because before this Sandeep sir classes, I have attended, I think, 6 7 speaking classes in last 20 years, and I
Yeah.
have spent 25 to 30,000 on myself only on English. But what has happened that after 1 month and after 2 months, I felt some changes in myself. I
Yeah.
am getting my confidence, And after 3 months, I I felt that yes, now I am improving. And after 6 months, I felt so. In every month I was feeling myself that yes, I am improving a lot. So due to that Sandeep sir classes, and due to that all the efforts, although I did many efforts, I'm continuously practicing whatever Sandeep sir is saying. So on the basis of this, all this help of Sandeep sir, now 4 months back I have made my goal. And goal is that within a 2 years means by 2022 December, I would be a fluent speaker. I would be a confident and fearless speaker, public
Yeah.
speaker I would become. So I am achieving all these things gradually. I am achieving. So whatever my objective is right now, so I have achieved 40% till now. I have to achieve 60% more. But in remaining 1.5 year, definitely I will achieve. And whatever is my objective, I will achieve. So
Yeah.
whenever I will get that confidence of speaking English, so the same thing will be reflected in my rest of the life. Because it's a matter of confidence. If I am not having a proper confidence, enough confidence, then I am not able to express myself in Hindi also.
Yeah. Yeah.
So whenever you want to share anything to someone, then always require confidence. But due to that lacking of English communication, my confidence means lose a lot. So I am getting my confidence again. And continuously I am doing efforts. So from last 7 months, I have started wake up at 4 a.m. Some of the time I wake up at 5 a.m. and some of the time I wake up at 4 a.m. Not apart from that. And continuously from last 7 months, I am continuously reading books. So right now I am reading that one very much boring book I am reading. And it's soon that within it, I think by Saturday, tomorrow evening, I would complete. Because these are the pages are remaining. Means these pages are remaining. So these pages are remaining only.
Yeah.
So I would within 2 to 3 days I would start to read one new book. So you are not able to believe that. You would not believe that what is the actual happiness whenever you complete one book. And when you start, so it gives a very means pride moment whenever you are doing this type of activities. So from last 7 8 months I have finished 7 8 books. And some books are still lying with me, because all are my MBA books are with me. And I am reading from that many months. And I would complete these books in coming 5 6 months. So whenever I will complete all the boring books, then I will start to read all self-help books and all that fiction books and all novels, whatever books are there, interesting books, I would start to read. But the thing is that still I am in very much pressure. Still I have to achieve many more things. That's why I am able to read these boring books. So these all are my journey. And
Right.
I can say that uh, I am not doing very good and hard efforts. I am like you also. I am very much lazy. I was very much average student. I always like to watch movies only. I spend my life like that. But in last
Hello.
7 months, I have changed myself. Because I am having my
Hello, sir.
daughters. So hello.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Sorry for interrupting, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
Natasha.
you said about that you are reading some books. Which kind of books are you reading, sir?
Uh, it's not a matter of which kind of book we are reading. Any book we can read.
Yeah.
But if I talk
Mm-hmm.
about myself, that the thing is that I am very much a book lover. But I was not able to get time in my past history that I haven't read anything. But I was very much book lover, because whenever I go to any bookshop, I used to purchase books, but I couldn't read. So I am
Oh,
having a many books in my cupboard, but I was not able to read. The thing is that whenever I started to read, so I thought that whatever books are already lying with me, means some of the my MBA textbook are lying with me, some of the good books are also with me. So I thought that I should complete these books first, then I would bring new books from market. So I am going to complete all the that pending books which is lying with me. In by December 2021, I would complete all the books. And from January onwards, I would buy some new books that self-help book. So I am having a very big list of self-help book because I have heard many the good books that I should read. But first, I would complete these books, MBA books, because these books are related to my professional journey. So it's the whatever books I would read, it gives us confidence, that level of confidence that yes, I know that subject, and I'm having that much of hold on my subject. That's why I'm reading these books, and I have read that books in my MBA times. But on these books, whatever I have read in my MBA times, it was not in that manner. Means I have just tried to get my marks on that exam. So that's the way I have read these books in my that college days. But nowadays I am reading these books and I am getting understanding properly because I am having a practical experience of my professional journey, and the same thing is I am reading, so I am able to easily reconnect both the things properly. So right now I am reading that organization behavior, and some of the books are also lying, but I have purchased already 4 self-help books in Amazon, that I have purchased that 4 books. It was around, I think, 400 or 500 cost was having, and that the book's name is that Rich Dad Poor Dad, and that Richest Man of Babylon, and 2 more books I am having. So I have purchased some more books, but first I would complete those books which are lying with me from 15 years, from 20 years. These books are with me. I don't know why I have kept these books for many years, because I was very much lover of that books, but I was not able to read. So I have started to finish these books first, then I would complete some new books. Yes. So I have completed my all story. I hope you all have
Really,
understood
really, sir, it was
why
very
it is.
fantastic, and
Hello, sir.
it's give a very good
May I
Yes,
message
yes,
ask one
to a person.
question to you, sir?
yes, 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 yes.
Yeah,
Who is?
Manoj, you can ask. Would you like? Okay, okay.
Okay, sir.
Manoj,
I
you
have a
can ask any
question,
question.
sir, because sir, I also like to read. Yeah, sir. Okay, sir. Means, sir, I also like to read English book, and sir, I also have completed 2 books. So, sir, I want to ask one easy question to you. So, what is the benefit of reading books?
So this is the basic thing, that if you want to speak in English, so you should know ABCD first. You should know how to read that word. You should know how to read that line. You should know how to read the sentence and paragraphs. So if you don't know how to read and pronounce these words, then how you are able to speak this English?
No, sir. No, sir.
Pronunciation
I am
is
able to read, sir. I am able to read and understand each and everything, sir. But sir, after reading the content, sir, I forgot, sir. So, sir, how can I remember for a long time?
don't try to remember and forget. It's a natural. And if you are saying that you are able to understand books, it means it's not true. Still I am getting this book, I am reading this book, but only 50% I am understanding this book. That much of hard words are there, that much of that concentration is required to understand some paragraphs. So if you are saying that I am getting that book and I am having that much of vocabulary, then I don't think you are having some problem. You are perfect in my view. So, but the thing is that vocabulary is very much required whenever we have to be fluent in our English communication. Reading is very much required. Without reading, you are not able to pronounce any word. Without reading, you are not able to understand that what is the spelling of that word, and you are not able to understand how the sentence is constructed, how the paragraph is constructed. Okay.
Yes.
So this is again a very
Sometimes
much boring
actually I feel,
activity.
sir.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
sir,
Thank you, sir.
sir,
Sir,
hello, sir.
sir, I also,
Sometimes I feel that
Uttam
if
sir,
I
good evening.
learn, if I
Hello.
read some,
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Please,
yes, I am listening.
please mute yourself, all of you. Yeah, Jiten, you can ask any question. Jiten Bhage. After that, Sasikanth.
Uttam sir, good evening. And I also saw that book you trying to show, that organization behavior. It is very fantastic book, sir. I also read in my BBA course. And there is a lot of interesting things in that, how to behave in the organization, what is the structure of the organization, production life cycle. There is a lot of content over that book. Uh, I think you may feel some kind of boring, but if you take the interest as a you are HR manager and how your company and organization behavior like that, if you read that book by this that scenario, then definitely, sir, you will get some interest and you will get a lot of content to react into your organization, sir.
You said very well. I am just comparing the self-help book, then the novels, the interesting books, that bestseller books, comparing with these books. So if we compare them,
Okay, okay, sir.
this book is very much boring in comparison of those books, which generally that
Yes,
readers
sir.
are read. So that's
Yes,
why
sir.
I told it boring book,
Yeah,
but it's not boring book. I
Sir,
got a many good things.
sir,
You
good
can
evening,
ask.
sir.
Yeah, Sasikant, you
Sir,
can ask.
sir, sir, do you read loudly?
Yes, always. I never
Okay,
read
okay,
in my inner means. I always read loud, always.
okay, okay, okay.
Natasha ma'am,
From last
Natasha
7 months,
ma'am,
I'm reading.
Natasha ma'am, you can ask.
Yes, yes, sir. I have a question, sir. May I, sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, sometime I felt that if I read any small stories book, so it's better for me. Like sometime because sometime I feel that I will understand very well. So sometime like if I read, if I start reading book like story, no, actually novel. So that time I was facing problem. So that is why this time after that I thought that if I read any small stories uh, books and small stories, and after reading the book, if I try to speak on my words, so that is the best option for me. Because if I want to speak after that, if you start learning that time, and you after learning your story and you use your words, so that time you are able to understand. But sometime if I read any novel, that time I'm confused because the in a novel have lots of new words. That time I won't be able to understand all the things.
It's a very much natural thing. It's a very much natural thing. Whenever we start reading in our school days, then that in first standard class, English book is very much easy, and in compare of fifth standard of class, and fifth standard class English book is very much easy in compare of 10th standard. So what I want to say that every person are at different level. If you are think that you are very much comfortable in that storybook, then you have to increase your that level of that books also. I'm not saying that you should reach to first to fifth
No,
standard.
actually,
You should.
yes.
Yes, tell me.
No, actually, sometimes I feel that the small story is a better option for us because we are learning. So we are
But if
actually
you are,
I'm
no,
learning.
no,
I don't know about you, but I'm learning
if you
English.
are,
So this after yes, yes, sir.
if you are easily understanding these
Are you?
small stories, so don't be with these
Mhm.
small stories. So try now, means increase your potential. Now move to some hard stories,
Mhm.
means hard to understand, because if you remain
Yes, but if
that
you
easy stories,
understood, if
you
you
will not grow.
understood all the things. No, sir. Actually, it's my concept that if you understood which thing is the better for you, actually, it's my opinion. It's my it's applicable in my side actually.
Okay,
So
okay,
when
yeah.
I understand which thing I have a some two and three, I got two and three words, new words in a small story is better for me, and I can understood
Then
all
it's
the things, all the sentences very easily. When I understood all the story very well, after that I can read new books like novel. So that time I think I will be able to understand easily. So that is my concept. Otherwise, every person have a other perspective. So
yes,
that is sir.
yes,
Thank you so much.
very much correct, very much
Yeah.
correct thing you told, that it's depend on person to person.
Mhm.
What is your objective?
Yes.
Okay,
Hmm.
if you talk
Sometimes, like
about
sir, if
myself, that
you force on your
my
mind, that
objective
time
is
is you
that,
face problem. That is right. Hmm.
yes, So that's why I'm saying that my objective is that I want to be, I don't want to be comfortable in any stage. Whenever I'm not challenged while reading and while speaking and while presenting myself, then it means that I'm not learning. So, so that's why I'm trying to myself that nowadays I have started two activities. I am started to upload videos in Facebook. So it's very much challenging for me because
Yeah.
it's
Yeah. Now,
giving something
sir.
pain to me.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Sir, I
I
have a
think
question.
I understood.
Sir,
I think I hope Natasha ma'am got it, our question answer. Yeah.
sir, I have a question.
Sadhana ma'am. Sadhana ma'am, can you ask any question?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, Sanjay, you can ask.
Yeah, yeah. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, my question is that, sir, I am facing vocabulary problem in English. Sir, whatever I learns meanings, I cannot remember them. Remember that after some time, and I'm also facing some means word ordering problem in English writing. So tell me,
No
sir,
one,
what
no
can I do?
formula, no formula will help you. No one, no other person will help you. You are the only person
Yes, sir.
you can help yourself. Why I am
Yes.
saying this thing? Because continuous efforts and the four habits Sandeep sir has told, these habits we have to follow. This is the only one formula. This is the only one formula. As much
Yes.
as we will read, as much as we will speak, as much as we will listen, so these all are activities combinedly work for us. So same thing, I was having same thought whenever I started this session in Sandeep sir classes. So Sandeep sir
Yes, sir.
used to tell us that do start work on vocabulary. But always I thought that vocabulary doing this activity is always a very much boring activity, vocabulary activity. Among the four activities, vocabulary activity is very much boring. So this is up to you how much efforts you have to do, how much that stress and that this hard efforts you have to put yourself. It's depend on you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there is no such shortcut formula. Whatever Sandeep sir has mentioned, their four habits. Try to
Sir,
do these habits only.
sir, how many meanings are sufficient in a day to improve the vocabulary?
I cannot because it is depend on person to person. What I am doing, I
Yes,
can
yes,
share.
Capacity.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
I am only doing 2 words a day.
Yeah,
But
yeah, sir.
for the 2 words, I am giving my time 30 to 40 minutes.
Okay.
Like that, I am reading writing these words. So there are only 2 words, but that much of meaning, that much of antonyms, synonyms, word
Yes, sir.
meaning, and
Yes.
the definition of that word I have written. Only these are 2 words. So I am using two dictionary. One is U dictionary, second one is Merriam-Webster. And some of the times whenever I'm not having some confusion, so I go to with Google to get help from that Google. But nowadays
Yes, sir.
I understood that only two dictionaries enough to understand any word. So it's we should not do this activity like that. In a day we should complete as much as words. This will not work. Whatever word you are writing in your diary, that you should know properly this word proper. That that's all. Whatever synonyms you have mentioned, you should know that what is the meaning of these synonyms also.
Yes,
What
sir.
are antonyms you are writing, you should understand that meaning of that antonyms also. And 2 3 sentences you have to write on your own. If you are not able to make, then take help from the dictionary also. In that all
Yes.
the dictionary you would get the sentences. So keep that these words very less in a day, but properly you have to do this activity in very serious manner, because I have seen many of the DNA students, then DNA friends, that they write one word and they write only Hindi word meaning. And I asked him that how many words you have completed. He told me that sir 2000. So I
Yeah.
just astonished, means how he did. It means he has completed the 2000 words.
Yeah,
because there is no need to complete this 2000 word means that you are very much perfect. Now you are very much fluent if you know that 2000 word meaning.
Sir, one question for
Thank you,
me,
sir.
sir.
I'll definitely follow your strategy. Thank you, sir.
Sir, one question for me. Hello,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes.
How much time do you give before 6 months? Means when you are beginner to speak
When
in.
I was, yes,
Yes, sir.
when
Yes,
I
sir.
was beginner, and now I'm giving same time.
Yes,
I
yes, sir.
haven't changed. Same
Okay.
time I am giving. So one thing I am sharing you also that from last 7 months I haven't seen TV, and
Yes, sir.
here I am again challenging you. I am addicted of TV. I was addicted of TV. I can see anything in TV. I can see Krishi Darshan. I can see Hollywood movies, Bollywood movies, music, dance channel, and news. I can see each and every type of channel because I'm like every sort of subject. So that's how I can say that I am very much fond of TV. But last 7 months